Hi YouTubers, just thought I'd do this. This is another trash or treasure from a charity shop, and I managed to get a couple of characters. And I have Mr. and Mrs. Safety Owl. There we go. That's Mrs. She's quite plump, and this is Grumpy Mr. Owl. I got this from a charity shop just for a bit of fun, because Alex has got one and he features in quite a few of his videos, so I thought I'd get a safety owl, or owls. Yeah, you can see this one's quite a big one, and they were 50p each, I think that was. That's a grumpy looking one, isn't it? Look at that. And we got something else, and I'll just go in another room and I'll show you. Yep, we picked up this unit, this pine unit, and Jane wanted something to do her art and crafts on, and a whittling of characters, and this was up in the charity shop for, I think it was £20. It's got 3 big drawers. It's made of pine, but it's supposed to be a baby changing unit, but it's absolutely brilliant for what she wanted. And I'll just open it up. The drawers are, it got arts and crafts painting stuff in. It's a bit tatty, but it's pretty good, and I like it, I really do. And I'll just open the top. It's supposed to be for changing nappies on babies. This opens up like that, and this is her work desk. So she's got her knives in here, and these are some of the characters she's whittled. There's wood spirits she's made, and an owl sitting in a wooden ring. There's a waiter, a cat, some more owls there, and she started doing these characters here out of bits of wood. There's one there. Let's show you this one. Let's have a look. She started doing these, and this is one she's working on at the moment, and this is going to be a male face one side and a female face the other side. These are all like practice pieces. I think she does really well. I like the cat she done. The cat. Look at that cat with a little bowl with some milk in, which is an acorn case. There's a sailor over here, a pipe, and we use bits of rocks and slate. And there's another character here. I think he's another sailor. I'm not sure. And then you've got the scarecrows. The scarecrows, different seasons. Yeah, that was a Christmas one because it's got holly. That one's spring, I think, because there's flowers. What else has she got over here? I think that's about it I can show you in here. But trash or treasure? And I think this desk is brilliant, because if you're doing any wood whittling, the shavings stop on here. Absolutely brilliant. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Definitely treasure.